Okay, we're back again here at Lance's Trailer Sales in beautiful Athens, Ohio. Lance'sTrailerSales.com, 740-592-8000. Pick up the phone, give us a call. This is our fourth dump trailer in the series. This is the model 46ED, 6.5'x12. Actually 77 inches wide inside the box. That's 6'5" by 12 feet long. This is our heavier duty version. Now we get to 10,000 pounds of gross vehicle weight rating. Actually, it's 9890. 9890 of gross vehicle weight rating. The trailer weighs exactly 2,740 pounds. 2,740 is our trailer weight. You'll notice right off the bat that we've now got 6-lug, 225, 8-ply, 15-inch wheels and tires. Bigger size, bigger axles, heavier framing. This is 12 gauge floor, 12 gauge sides, 14 gauge fenders. 2 5/16 cast coupler, adjustable. Oh, let's see. We still have the same PPG automotive primer and paint. 18-inch sides, stake pockets, Dexter axles. Notice the factory installed tarp. Inside the battery box, we have that same Series 27 deep cycle marine battery, the bigger battery, the better one, with the factory installed 5-amp trickle battery charger, 110 plug. You just plug it in at night when you get home. Keep that battery good and charged up. We're power up, power down. The same triple action rear gate, pickup truck fold down, barn door fold out, and spread stone option. Triple action rear gate. You'll also now notice that our ram is now a 3.5-inch bore, 30-inch stroke, power up, power down. We've got the same 5-foot slide-in ramps for hauling equipment. The dead soldier, hold the bed up when you're parked. Kayla, come underneath and just show some of the framing, show some of the attention to detail in the build. We talked about earlier that it's actually 2 pieces of steel welded together to form the bed, with just the one seam in the middle. Very well built. Look at the paint quality. PPG automotive primer and paint. A fantastic finish. Power up, power down, stake pockets, tie rail on the side, 18-inch sides. A 14-foot corded remote, factory installed tarp, spare tire mount, a 3-year warranty, and we sell this model 46ED for $59.95, $5,995 American dollars, plus tax if applicable. These are in stock. Notice that we've got it in red with the optional black rims, just to give it a sharp look. Everybody has black trailers. We like doing stuff differently, so we get different colored trailers in here all the time. We've got red, charcoal gray, or black in stock. We've got over 30 of these in stock. Don't waste your time shopping around the other guys. Come right to Lance's. Satisfaction guaranteed. Help yourself to the savings and the selection. Triple action rear gate. These fold all the way back for a nice wide opening. We also have the fold down, pull the pins, and it folds down like a pickup truck tailgate, and it has the spreader option. Everybody needs to spread stone in the driveway. Spread option. Okay. Am I missing anything, Kayla? Slide-in ramps. Money red, a sharp looking trailer. You pull up to a job site, let's face it, contractors, here's the fact. When you pull up to a job site, if you're a contractor, a landscaper, People judge us by the equipment that we have. If you pull up to someone's job site with a rickety old piece of junk, you're not going to make a good impression on that customer. Conversely, pull up with a good-looking Diamond C dump trailer, the job's half yours. Lance's Trailer Sales in beautiful Athens, Ohio, 740-592-8000. Give us a call.